Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9 Pro. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone looking for a cutting-edge smartphone experience, the Pixel 9 Pro has something special for you. We'll be exploring its standout features, camera capabilities, performance, and much more to help you decide if this is the right phone for you. If you're interested in more details, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest tech reviews. Now, let's get into it. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Pixel 9 Pro has taken a sleek, modern approach. It's slightly thinner than its predecessor, with rounded edges that make it comfortable to hold. The glass back has this really nice matte finish that's resistant to fingerprints finally, right? Plus, it's available in some stunning new colors, so there's something for everyone. But how does it feel in hand, and is it durable enough? Well, with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, it's pretty sturdy. You're definitely getting a premium feel with this one. Next up, the display. Google's really stepped it up this time with a 6.8-inch OLED panel. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and with a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything feels incredibly smooth whether you're scrolling through social media or playing games. And let's not forget the brightness, it's perfect even in direct sunlight. So if you're someone who spends a lot of time outdoors, you'll appreciate this upgrade. Now, let's talk about performance and software. The Pixel 9 Pro is powered by the latest Google Tensor G4 chip, and let me tell you, it's fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking is a breeze, and gaming performance is top-notch. Google has also made some significant improvements to the AI and machine learning features, making the phone smarter and more intuitive. Plus, it's running Android 14 right out of the box, so you're getting all the latest features and updates. It's that classic Google experience, but better. Alright, onto the cameras, which is always a highlight with Pixel phones. The Pixel 9 Pro features a triple camera setup on the back, with a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP telephoto lens. The photos are, as you'd expect, stunning sharp details, excellent dynamic range, and those signature Pixel colors. Low light? No problem. Night sight has been improved yet again, and the new Super Residential Zoom lets you zoom in up to 30x with minimal loss in quality. On the front, the 12MP selfie camera does a fantastic job, even in tricky lighting. If you're into photography, this phone will not disappoint. Battery life is always a concern, and Google has made sure the Pixel 9 Pro can easily get you through a full day of heavy use. The 5000 mAh battery, combined with some smart software optimizations, means you won't be reaching for a charger by lunchtime. And when you do need to juice up, the 45W fast charging support gets you back to 50% in just about 30 minutes. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are here too, so you've got all the charging options you need. In terms of connectivity, the Pixel 9 Pro supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. So, you're covered on all fronts for fast and reliable connections. There's also an improved in-display fingerprint sensor that's faster and more accurate than before. And yes, it's IP68 rated for water and dust resistance, so it can handle a bit of rain or a drop in the pool. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Pixel 9 Pro starts at around $999 for the base model, which gives you 128 gigabytes of storage. If you need more space, you can opt for the 256 gigabytes or even the 512 gigabytes version, but of course, that will push the price up a bit. It's definitely a premium price tag, but considering the features and performance, it's positioned to compete with other top-tier smartphones out there. So, is it worth the investment? That's something we'll weigh in the final thoughts. To wrap things up, the Google Pixel 9 Pro is a powerhouse in every sense. It's got the design, the display, the performance, and those incredible cameras that Pixel phones are known for. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. If you're looking for a premium Android experience, the Pixel 9 Pro should definitely be on your list. And this is the review of Google Pixel 9 Pro. If you aren't interested in Pixel 9 Pro, check out the link in the description below for more information. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.